Hello viewers, are you experiencing YouTube Shorts dislike button not showing problem? In this tutorial, I'll explain to you why dislike button not showing on YouTube Shorts and how to fix it. Viewers, if you go to the Play Store and update the YouTube app and then clear data of your YouTube app, you will still see that the dislike option is missing. Now question is, why is this happening? Actually, this is a new update on YouTube. It is not a glitch with your app. YouTube brings new interface with new update. That's why YouTube Shorts dislike option not showing. If you want to get back dislike option, then go back to home screen and then long press on YouTube app. Open YouTube app info, click on I button or app info. Now click on three dot icon from the top of right and then click on uninstall updates. Click on OK. Now go back to home screen and then open YouTube app and look, dislike option is showing now.